Hello, I'm Jude Meakin, a senior lecturer and one of the admissions tutors here in physics at Exeter. I'm going to talk to you today about the physics programmes we offer here at Exeter, but first I'd like to tell you a little bit about our department. So physics and astronomy is based in a building that's located on one of the highest points of our Streatham campus, which is close to the city of Exeter. Part of the building is a tower, and if you were to come here and go to the top of the tower, you'd see some absolutely stunning views of our beautiful Streatham campus, the city of Exeter, and right out to the estuary at Exmouth and the foothills of Dartmoor. But apart from having a fantastic building with beautiful views, what is it like inside? Well, in terms of people, we're a medium-sized department, very friendly, with about 50 members of academic staff and several hundred undergraduate and postgraduate students and researchers. Our research encompasses a very wide range of topics involving both theoretical and experimental physics. Our academics and researchers are within 4 different groups within physics. The first, quantum systems and nanomaterials, investigates the physical properties of systems at the nanoscale, where there's some really interesting physics where the classical and quantum regimes combine. The second group, electromagnetic and acoustic materials, explores how sound and electromagnetic radiation interact with a wide variety of different materials. We also have a very good astrophysics group who are particularly interested in things such as how stars form and exoplanets. And finally, we have a biomedical physics group, which I myself are in, who investigate the physical properties of cells and tissues, and are developing some really novel techniques for observing these for research and clinical purposes. The wide range of topics that we're involved in our research is really a benefit for students studying here, as it provides a wealth of expertise for our teaching, and it also gives a broad range of topics for you to study, allowing you to really develop your interest in physics in the way that you want it to. In terms of what we can offer you, we have 9 different physics programs. Our 2 single honours programs are physics and physics with astrophysics. Both of these can be taken as a 3-year BSc or a 4-year MPhys program, and all of these are accredited by the Institute of Physics. We also offer a combined honours program in maths and physics. If you take the straight physics programs, you can choose to add an extra year studying abroad or working on a professional placement, and I'll tell you more about those in a little bit. So when you come to Exeter to study physics, what will you actually be doing? Well, whichever program you choose, you'll be doing broadly the same stuff in the first year. And the advantage of this way of structuring our programs is that it gives you the option to change programs after you get here, subject to some capacity constraints. So in the first year, you'll take 6 modules, which for our single honours programs is 4 physics modules and 2 maths modules. These modules will be delivered by an academic in the department, often in the form of lectures, and supported by problems classes to really help you understand how to apply the knowledge that you're learning. The physics modules in the first year cover the course concepts that you're going to need for studying in later years. But they'll also introduce some really exciting physics that I'm sure you're looking forward to finding out about, including quantum mechanics and special relativity. After your first year, you'll continue to learn some core physics, but will also have increasing choice in the modules that you can take, allowing you to tailor your degree to your individual interests. A key part of physics is, of course, developing practical skills. So as well as learning physics knowledge, you'll be spending a substantial amount of time developing laboratory skills, doing physics experiments, and learning some quite advanced IT skills. As you move into your 3rd and 4th year, the complexity of the lab work you do will increase, where we're really trying to develop your ability to perform experiments more independently. Students on the MPhys programs also have the opportunity to engage in our research, working with academics in the department to address a range of different novel research problems. One key aspect that we maintain across all the years of your study at Exeter is a small group tutorial. In these, you'll meet with an academic member of staff and a group of 4 or 5 other students for about 1 hour per week. And this will give you an opportunity to discuss your learning more informally and get some additional help with things that you're finding difficult. Your tutor will also be there for you if you need any help with any non-academic or personal issues. So Exeter's a lovely place, but what if you want to expand your experience a little bit more? Well, we offer 2 options for achieving this. One is a professional placement and the other is a study abroad. And both options would extend your physics degree by 1 additional year. The Physics with Professional Placement programme will mean that you'll spend an extra year gaining experience in a professional laboratory. And many of our students go on placement in either an industrial or government-run laboratory. During your time, you would be an employee with a paid salary, but we would continue to support you here from the physics department. On the study abroad programmes, you'd spend your time studying physics and being embedded in a different cultural environment. We have partner universities throughout the world with locations across Europe, Asia, Australia, Oceania, and America. And many of these offer physics modules that are taught in English. With both the professional placement and the study abroad options, you would receive support before you go, and we maintain support during your placement. I hope I've given you a sense of what studying physics at Exeter would be like. As I mentioned at the beginning, we're a medium-sized department, and our size means that you can really get to know the other students that you're studying with in the department, and there's a good level of interaction between staff and students. So that's everything from me, and I look forward to seeing you soon in the future. Thank you.